Imagine a world where innovation isn't just a one-way street flowing from developed nations to the developing ones. What if the direction of this flow could be reversed? Welcome to the intriguing concept of reverse innovation. Reverse innovation, simply put, is a strategy where multinational companies create new products in developing markets and then export them globally. Rather than merely cutting costs, this strategy involves innovating products tailored to the specific needs and constraints of the local market. Scene script. Take, for instance, the case of GE Healthcare. They developed an affordable ECG machine for the Indian market, where there was a dire need for cost-effective healthcare solutions. This product was so successful that GE Healthcare decided to export it globally, a brilliant example of reverse innovation. Another instance is Harman, a company known for high-end infotainment systems. They created a low-cost version specifically for emerging markets. The product, designed to meet the particular needs and constraints of these markets, was later introduced worldwide. Despite the potential benefits, implementing reverse innovation can face challenges. Internal resistance within companies and concerns about cannibalizing sales of higher-margin products are some of the hurdles that need to be overcome. However, the term reverse innovation may no longer accurately reflect the current trend of innovation coming from developing countries like India. The concept is evolving, and it could be more apt to say that innovation is becoming a global phenomenon, not bound by the constraints of geographical boundaries or economic status. In summary, reverse innovation is about flipping the script on traditional innovation flow. It's about recognizing the potential of developing markets not just as consumers, but as creators and innovators. It's about multinational companies leveraging these markets to create products that are successful not just locally, but globally. And finally, it's about acknowledging that innovation knows no borders. It's a truly global phenomenon. Now, isn't that a world to aspire to?